Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm just going to show you about the how to do lane changes during your driving test. So what happened, most of learner during the lane changes in driving test, they get panic and they fail their test. What they do, they slow down, they overspeed, and sometimes they can't find the safe gap. So I'm just gonna show you on the whiteboard so it's easy to understand instead of going to the road. So here, as you can see, there are two lanes, and this is the car for the driving test. So who's going to have the test? So think, now this is the car on the right lane, and whenever testing officer asks to move into the left lane, first thing they always gonna say when safe. So when safe means when you have enough gap, plus you need to perform your observation before you move into the left lane. So I'm on the right lane now, and testing officer asked me to move into the left lane whenever safe. So first thing what I needed to do, same time looking the mirror and give your left signal straight away. But make sure looking the mirror and give your left signal. So what happens sometime, you straight away give signal and don't looking the mirror, might someone blow the horn. So testing officer looking to you, you give signal, but you check the mirror. You give signal, you check the mirror, but you're not moving to the left lane. So it's not an issue. So look at mirror and then you give signal left straight away. Don't wait for the signal. Now, when you give the left signal, after that our observation start. You need to check middle mirror, left mirror, and head check if there is no car around. So what does mean? If there is no single car on the left side, still you have to perform your all the observations. So middle mirror, left signal, after that middle mirror, left mirror, and you have to do left shoulder check. Then you have to move into the left lane. So what learner do normally whenever testing officer asks to move into left lane? First thing, they get panic. Other thing what they do, sometime if when they see there is a cars on the left side lane, they increase the speed. So they overspeed. Other thing, when they see the cars on the left lane, they decrease the speed and they go too slow. Example 60 zone, they go under 50. So in the driving test, if there is no car in front of you and the weather condition is good, you can't drive less than 10 kilometer speed limit, and you can't go whatever the speed limit. So if 60 kilometer speed limit, this is the maximum one. So easy way, whenever testing officers say move into left lane from the right lane. So first thing they're gonna say when safe. So check the mirror, give your left signal. After that, same, check middle mirror, left mirror, and when you check the middle mirror, you can see around 80% of the road. So why we have to check the central mirror first? Sometime what happen, when you about to change the lane, the car behind you also wanna change the lane. That's why you need to check the middle mirror. Check the middle mirror. Behind your car, there is no signal left. They don't want to lane change. It means you clear from your behind line. Now you have to look after left lane where you have to go. So check the left mirror. If there are car, when you give signal, you letting them know you want to change the lane, because only with the signals you can tell your intention, what do you want to do. So when you give a left signal, if there is car close to you, still what gonna happen when you give a left signal, if they happy to give you way, if they want you to come in front of you, might they gonna slow down, sometimes they dipper also. So it means they happy to you to want in front of you. So what you do when they happy, still middle mirror, left mirror, and your shoulder check you must have to perform and move into the left lane. Now, other thing, what upper learner thinking, lane changes means you must have to come in front of the car. So it is totally wrong. If you're in the right lane and you want to move into left lane and there is a car, they don't want to give you way. You have option 1, front of the car. If they don't want it, you can't just come suddenly in front of any car. If they don't want, you can't come in because you're requesting. So if they don't want to give you way, let them go. Number 2 option, behind the car. So what does mean? If they don't want to give you, let them go. Now you have second option, when the car is past you, you can come behind the car. So easy option, front. Otherwise second option comes behind the car. So these are the things. Same if you're on the right lane, example, this is your car and now you have to move to the right lane. So same process here. Check the middle mirror, give your right signal. And same process, middle mirror, right mirror, shoulder check. If they happy to give you on your right side, you can come in front of. If they don't want, let them go and you can come behind the car. So what happens, sometime there are few cars straight away. If they don't want, if example this car doesn't want to give you, don't worry, let them go. Second car don't want to give you way, don't worry, let them go. So when it's safe, then you have to move. If they don't want to give you, you don't have to do it. Other thing is what learner do, example, we move in the lane. If any place you see the strong line, solid line, so we are not allowed to do lane changes on the solid line. Sometime before the school crossing, before any pedestrian crossing, you can see the solid line. So don't do lane changes on the solid line. Same before the traffic signal. If any traffic signal comes, before the traffic signals, around 75 meter, you can see the solid line. So if you're not able to do lane changes before the solid line, keep going straight, then do lane changes after crossing the traffic signal. So I hope you learn with this one how to do the lane changes safely. So don't forget, whenever they will ask you, they must gonna say do the lane changes when safe. It means when safe, you don't have to do it if not safe. Plus, even there is no single car, still you have to check the mirrors, the mirror which side you have to go, plus your shoulder check. Even there is no car or car. So I hope you learn well, and it's very simple to understand here how to do the lane changes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.